Foods for lean muscle building. Introduction. Lean muscle building is an essential part of maintaining a healthy and fit body. It not only contributes to improved physical performance but also helps boost metabolism, support overall health, and prevent age-related muscle loss. This video discusses the best foods for lean muscle building, considering their nutritional content and how they can aid in muscle growth and recovery. Protein-rich foods. Lean meats. Consuming lean meats such as chicken, turkey and pork provides a high amount of protein, essential for muscle repair and growth. These sources also contain essential amino acids needed for muscle synthesis. Fish, rich in protein and omega-3 fatty acids, fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel support muscle building and reduce inflammation, promoting recovery after workouts. Dairy products. Low-fat dairy products like Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, and skim milk are excellent sources of protein and calcium, which contribute to muscle growth and bone health. Eggs, a complete source of protein. Eggs contain all essential amino acids required for muscle synthesis. They also provide vitamins and minerals that support overall health. Plant-based proteins. For those who prefer plant-based diets or have dietary restrictions, options like tofu, tempeh, edamame, lentils, and chickpeas are great sources of protein and nutrients. Complex carbohydrates. Whole grains. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread provide sustained energy for workouts and help replenish glycogen stores, crucial for muscle recovery. Oats, a nutrient-dense carbohydrate source. Oats contain beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that promotes satiety and maintains stable blood sugar levels. Sweet potatoes, rich in complex carbohydrates, fiber, and beta-carotene, sweet potatoes provide energy and support muscle growth. Healthy fats. Avocado, high in monounsaturated fats, avocados promote muscle recovery and overall health. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds provide healthy fats, protein, and fiber, supporting muscle growth and providing essential nutrients. Olive oil, a source of monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. Olive oil helps reduce inflammation and supports muscle recovery. Fruits and vegetables. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress caused by exercise and support muscle recovery. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens provide vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that promote overall health and muscle function. Cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, supporting muscle building and overall health. Conclusion. A balanced diet that incorporates protein-rich foods, complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, and a variety of fruits and vegetables is key to building lean muscle. In addition to consuming these foods, it is essential to maintain a consistent exercise routine, stay hydrated, and get adequate rest to optimize muscle growth and recovery. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more diet, health tips and recipes.